7 years ago, I questioned God. I am jobless, walang girlfriend since birth, kaliwat ka ng failure sa pag-apply ng trabaho. I felt so lonely. But I remain faithful to God's promise. I believe that God's will always be great. So to cut the story short, na-meet ko si May, a girl that catches my heart in an instant. Totoo palang mag-i-slow mo lahat pag nakita kita.
We only dream where we are right now. Dati, patay na patay ka lang sa akin. Ngayon, magiging asawa mo na ako. But on a serious note, thank you. Thank you for choosing me the day we met and every day after that.
Hold you in my heart just like a treasure.
Laging nandyan, Jello. Oy, tas yung ating boss, amo mapagmahal. Esteban.
Water!
Meron ako kasi bida-bida ako. Meron dong sunglasses din pala.
Wow! Thank you! Pera o ba yun? Pera o ba yun? Pera o ba yun?
From the deepest part of my heart, love, thank you. Thank you dahil kung wala ka, wala tayo dito. Thank you for giving me a very special kind of love. A love that could throw away a sadness.
Your love fills my heart with joy and gratitude. Thank you. Naiyak. Thank you for accepting and loving not only me, but my mama, my kuya, my ate, and all my kaartehan.
My shorty. Wow, shorty. Calling you all the things you deserve. Yes. I can't wait to marry you. Wag na stress. Ooh.
Wala, may
Ay, may ATM! Binigay yung ATM!
To my wife. Take this gift as a sign of my pure love and commitment to love you always in every way for the rest of my life. Mahal na mahal kita. You are and will always be my greatest blessing. Your husband, Kim.
Thank you sa gift, love. Alam mo talagang magpapaligaya sa akin. Bukod sa'yo, syempre.
Thank you. See you later. Love you.
In this moment I could stay forever. Hold you in my heart just like a treasure. Dreaming of
Ang pangit niya. Alam mo, minsan bunganga mo talaga eh.
Words will never be enough to express how grateful I am for having you in my life. Ngayon pa lang magsusorry na ako. Papraktisin ko na magsorry sa mga aking shortcomings at sa mga magiging kasalanan pa. Sorry for everything.
With my whole heart, I take you to be my husband, to hold and to cherish, to love you on our best day, on the day na ang hirap mong mahalin, di ba? And every ordinary day in between.
today is a good, good day. Today is a good, good day.
love you. I will always love you. I loved you yesterday, I will love you today, and I will love you tomorrow. Pinapangako kong pipiliin kita sa araw-araw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ang password ng aking mobile banking.
Today's a good, good day.
Indeed, I choose you, and I choose you over and over. I'm yours forever and always, all that I can now and all that I ever be. Love you.